Hi Dresser Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw a snowman Christmas tree. So let's get started. To draw this white Christmas tree, let's first start by drawing the top hat of our snowman. So I'm going to start right here at the top and draw a curve for the top of our hat. So say about this wide, and then I'm going to bring it down at a slight angle. Just bring it in a little bit. And same thing on the other side. And we just kind of want to end at the same height. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw the rim. So I'm going to come out right here and just kind of add this soft curve right underneath it. And then we're going to just kind of angle out a little bit, and then just connect it once again. So we're just making it very simple. Then from there, we need to, we'll draw the details later. Let's come here and we need to draw the head of our snowman. So I'm going to come right about here where this point is, and I'm going to come down and I'm just going to draw a big curve for our snowman's head. And same thing here. So where this point is, come down and bring it in. There. So our goal is for a nice big round head. Then from there, let's connect that. Now that we have these two lines at about the same height, let's connect it with a curve. And then we can start our scarf. So let's come right about here. And I'm just going to wobble a little bit on both sides. And then once again, connect for our scarf. And then from there, we can start to draw the tree part. So I'm going to come about right here, and we're just going to go down at an angle, kind of drawing like a triangle shape. So, but as I come down, I'm just going to kind of wobble, kind of make all these little curves here and there. We're just trying to make it soft, kind of like a tree, fluffy material that's here. So something like this, and then say about right here. I'll end, and same thing on this side. So just wobble sometimes, bring it out, small, big. It really doesn't matter. You just want to draw this kind of curvy outside to give it some texture. And end about the same height on the other side. So about right there. Now we can go ahead and finish it. And as we come down here, I'm going to make these curves a lot bigger. And I'm still kind of aiming to draw it at a curve. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw these big curves and aim towards the center, and then I'm going to go the other way and just finish everything there. Okay, so now that we have that, we can put in all the details to make our snowman. So let's come back to the top, and I'm going to add some details. So right here, let's draw some holly berries. So I'm just going to draw 3 circles connected together. Maybe a leaf. And 2 right there. And then I'm just going to, let's see here, just add a curve right across. Oh my gosh, it's so wobbly. Here, let's fix that there. Okay, so now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and come at the bottom and draw another curve. There. Okay, sorry for the mess. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and put a face on our snowman. So I'm going to come to the center area about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve right in the center for our carrot nose. And then I'm going to bring it down, round it off, and connect. So I'm just kind of giving it a slight, not perfectly center. I'm just kind of bringing it over to the right a little bit. Then from there, let's go to the top about right here, and I'm just going to draw a circle. Put in a little highlight and shade it in. So same thing here. And then on top of each eye, just draw a soft curve. Make this a little bit taller. Okay, Then we need to draw a bunch of dots to create a smile. So I'll start right here and I'll just bring this across so that I make sure I go in the right direction. Right here in the center, and then I'll put in 1, 2. This just makes it easier for me to see and make sure that I'm going in a nice curve to create this smile. There. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so now we have a happy snowman. Then from there, let's draw more of our scarf. So let's say to the sides right here. I'm just going to bring down one tail, bring it in, and then maybe another one, and bring it in. And of course, you can decorate your scarf however you like. Put some stripes. And going this way. There. And then we need to put in, let's see here, let's see, put in the buttons, right? So I'm just going to come right here and draw a circle. Do a little highlight and shade it in. 1, and then 2. And 3. There. Aw. So hopefully you love how this is turning out. And here and there you can put in little curves just to give your tree more texture if you like. And if you like, I thought it'd be extra cute, we put some hands on this snowman. So if you want to do that, maybe in this area, right about here, I'm going to come right here and just draw kind of like these stick hands that are creating a heart. So about here, come towards the center, and then I'm going to bring it down and in. So I'm making it more stiff because it's a stick, right? So more, trying to make it more, have a harder edge so that it looks like a stick, and thicken it up. And then right here, just put a little cap. There. And so hopefully that looks like the hands. And that is pretty much it for my drawing here of the snowman Christmas tree. I really hope you love how this turned out, and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.